Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete a profile on your Netflix account. So let's say you have more than one profile. As you can see here, I have more than one profile. I actually add a new profile to do this tutorial. So I'm going to show you how to delete a profile that you no longer use in your Netflix account. Let's see. Okay, so here I've already opened my Netflix, and as you can see, there is no delete or remove option in here. So what you need to do is you can just click on the pencil icon at the top. So to do this, you need to open the Netflix first. So click on the pencil icon, and then you'll find the pencil icon will show up at each of the profiles. So just click on the profile that you want to delete, and then here as the profile, so just you need to see at the bottom there is a delete profile option. You can just click on this and then click on delete profile. Okay, so after that you can just go back, and as you can see, the profile will no longer there because it has been deleted. Okay, so that's all from me. I hope this video is helpful to you. If you got any question, feel free to drop it in the comment, and if you think this video is helpful, don't forget to click like and also subscribe for more contents. I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye bye guys.